Wells Gray Park. Essential packing for an ideal BC camping experience. Equipment and backcountry recommendations. Awakening in nature. Your early summer journey to Wells Gray Provincial Park, you needed little persuasion. Just hints of warmer mornings and peaceful trails awaiting exploration. May in British Columbia feels enchanting. The snow has melted away, campgrounds are open, and visitors are still scarce. You craved tranquility. A touch of wilderness. A moment to recharge. Thus, you prepared your equipment and set out toward Wells Gray Provincial Park. You've seen the stunning pictures, towering waterfalls, moss-laden paths, and vast skies above pristine glacial lakes. However, immersing yourself in this beauty was entirely different. Establishing camp in peace after several hours on the road and a brief stop in Clearwater, you reached a backcountry campsite as golden light filled the sky. The forest came alive. Birds flitted above, frogs croaked near the water, and the distant roar of Helmkin Falls echoed softly. You unpacked your tent and set to work. Your gear? Dependable. Lightweight. Perfect for this adventure. Dinner by the campfire. You heated water with your Jetboil flash stove, chopped fresh veggies, and tossed them into your titanium pot with quick-cooked quinoa. There's something magical about dining outside that elevates simple meals into exquisite experiences. A morning to remember. No alarms ringing. No email alerts. Just the dawn light and a world that felt pristine. With a warm coffee in hand and mist rising from the trees, you recognized, this is precisely why you came. And Wells Gray? It offers everything you seek: lush trails, breathtaking waterfalls, peaceful nights, and countless spots to claim as your own. You just have to go. And when you do, you'll want equipment that functions, dependable, tested, and crafted for adventure.